Here we are at the Contenders for auctions, ending on 6/10. Here's our list. There we go. We got our sealed box here. I didn't put the number in the auction because we are live. There we go. Good luck, everybody. We got anywhere from 4 autos to 6 autos. I pulled as many as 6. We usually get 5. Let's hope for 6 tonight. There we go. List. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Ready one. First insert. Rookie roll call. Shane Vereen. Not numbered. Dead Bryant. Tom Brady. First hit is Casey Matthews. Nice. For the Eagles. And that goes to Soup. Nice hit, Soup. Johnson. And Michael Wallace. Base. No base going out on this one. If you don't get a hit and you don't get an insert or anything like that, I'll give you a spot in the free drawing unless you want your base. If you want a base card for your team, let me know and I'll send that out to you. No problem. Instead of your soft sleeve. There we go. Next one. For the Vikings, Ponder and Rudolph. Not numbered. Vikings, base and base. Rookie of the year, Denarius Moore. Not numbered. Base and base. And a rookie of the year, Daniel Thomas. Number 98 of 100 for the Dolphins. Base and base. The Dolphins Ghost Band. Nice little numbered card there. a Super Bowl ticket. Who is that? That's Franco Harris for the Steelers. That is not numbered. Base. Alright. Motto's coming up. We got a legendary contender, Darryl Green. I think. Nope. Art Monk. These are never numbered. Not numbered. And base. Alright. Got one hit so far. Casey Matthews for the Eagles. A rookie roll call. Mikel Ashore. Alright. And that is not numbered. And base. Autos want to come late this time. Better late than at the very beginning. There we go. Freeman. Nope. Get a base pack here. Alright. Get at least one or two of those per box. Nothing but base. And our second hit is a Kyle Adams for the Bears. And that will go to JNC card. Base. And a Rookie of the Year, Von Miller. And that is not numbered. And base. Alright, 2 hits so far. At least 2 more. More than likely, 3 more. Unless we got one of those 4 auto boxes. Which I hope not. It's a numbered one. Who is it? Castellanos Super Bowl ticket or rookie playoff ticket. That will be numbered 9 of 99. Goes to the Colts. Base. Hoping that one will be autoed. I'll slide it. Michael Vick. Giants draft class. We got a Jurgen and Scott. That is not numbered. And we got our base. Alright. Here's our third auto for the Bills. Lee Smith. That goes to Lemmy. Rydell was on the. Got the Rydell on there. I look for no Rydell on the helmet. That would be the SP auto. Some of them are a little different, but I don't really know those by heart. Alright, here we go. And Rookie of the Year, Kyle Rudolph. And that is not numbered. Face. 3 hits so far. Nothing spectacular yet. Next hit is a Super Bowl ticket of Larry Fitzgerald. And that is not numbered. A couple base, Ben and Decent. Alright. Got at least one more auto coming, hopefully 2. Let's get something nice. A legendary contenders for the Rams. That is Deacon Jones, not numbered. Base. Got Bowman signatures coming up next. We got our 4 for $5 Topps Finest Mini. Buy 4, get 1 free. If you want to get in the Finest Mini box. It's basically half a hobby box. There's 2 minis per hobby. A rookie roll call. Juan Jones. That is not numbered. And a couple days. Benitez and Austin. That's where I am. There we go. Got a redemption. That may be good, that may be bad. I'll go ahead and show you the number on it. It's number 204, RPS rookie tickets. 204. 204. That will go to Cleveland. Argani. The Greg Little. 204. I knew it was close to the top. I was hoping it was somebody huge. But congrats, Argani. You got the Greg Little. And a couple more base. Alright, so we're looking. We got the 4 autos. Looking for our extra one at least. So we get. And we got a rookie draft class. Raiders. Jones and somebody else. And that is not numbered. It's Daenerys Moore and Jones. And we got a Rivers and a Ocho base. And there's our 5th auto, and that is a Mark Ingram on-card auto. Not bad. And that goes to Kier, K-I-E-R-R. Abbreviated eBay name. Not bad. On-card Mark Ingram. I think he'll have a better year this year. He stays healthy. Couple base. Alright, we have 3 packs left. See if we can hit a 6th. Done it once out of 5 or 6 boxes, so maybe this time. That might be, nope, 5 base. Alright. 2 to go. There we go. A legendary Bruce Smith for the Bills, and that is not numbered. And a couple more base. Last pack. See what we get. Looks like a Super Bowl ticket. Greg Jennings for the Packers. And that is not numbered. Numbered cards don't come often in Contenders. And a couple base. Alright. Well, that'll do it for the 2011 Contenders break for auction 610. I appreciate everyone who joined. We have lots of deals here tonight. So if you want to get something that breaks tonight, you may want to go for the finest or the mini sweet spot.